Hi, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present here. Just starting out by saying that we're not necessarily in HR, although we come from the world of HR, and Flype's about customer enablement. If you look at most companies today, most of the top interactions that you have with customers after you make the sale tend to fall into one of these categories. Could be some regular updates, could be some tutorials, could be some welcome emails. And this is fairly common across industries and verticals. But the big problem is it's very manual and very complicated for customer-facing teams. The poor customer success person has to coordinate and kind of be the quarterback of working with product companies, product leaders, marketing leaders, customer support people to get a sense of the customer and engage with them at the right time and their users. Too much can be annoying. Too little means you don't react to the customers till there's a fire. And each of those channels are very disconnected. So you can have a lot of disconnected actions going out to customers and not really helping them much at all. So we thought we'll solve the problem by creating an automation that tries to make sense of it, uses the data, but provides a really simple experience for your customers and their users directly inside your app or website or portal. At a very high level, we simply collect as much customer data as we can. Some of it comes directly when you embed our product, which is really simple. A couple of lines of code gets you in. And we kind of build a customer view. And then once we get that, we work with the subject matter experts to set up and train the models to interact with users at the right time in the right context. And I've given some examples of what they can be. And then we try to predict opportunities for expansion and retention by using the data. So really three key pillars. We fuse experience, intelligence, and automation. When it comes to customer enablement, less is more. So we have a really simple widget with a couple of lines of code. You can put it into your app or portal. And we use working with subject matter experts and the customer teams. We set up the models to create a set of interactions. Those could be for onboarding. This could be for a new product release. Could be for some best practice, or could even be for a webinar that you're putting out. We try to bring the customer data together. The more data, we get smarter, but it's not always required. Example is one of our customers is in fintech. They use it for customer engagement. So you can kind of see how you can orchestrate a series of experiences using a simple unified channel. Bottom line, we try to reduce support issues, we try to increase product usage, and we try to increase customer engagement with much less reduced resources and dollars, trying to do automation at scale. A lot of customers, our early customers, love the product. We're getting excellent feedback and adoption, and we think it's the right product at the right time because customer experience is increasingly becoming one of the largest growing segments of enterprise software. And we're starting with obviously high tech, but generally its product is applicable to various industries, and we're exploring them as we talk to more customers. We have a pretty strong customer interest list and growing, and some of them have already started in production and working with us to kind of engage their customers. Very simple active user model. Start simple, and then you go forward, working with partners as well to kind of land and expand at various customers. We are starting with in-app experience, but we want to be the system of engagement. Ultimately, as someone mentioned earlier in the presentation, we want to create an ecosystem of partner apps in the customer tech stack. I'm not going to go into this in the interest of time. We have a really strong team of people with executive experience as well as product experience, also as a team of engineers. And if anybody is interested in increasing your engagement with just a couple of clicks, come on and stop by, and we are welcome to try out our product. Thank you very much.